excited to show you our Christmas tree, but first, smash the subscribe button. We're gonna go pick out a Christmas tree.
Yay! We're playing hide and seek in the tree farm.
Someone broke Christmas tree.
Oh no!
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
What kind of tree do you want, buddy?
This one.
Oh.
I like this tree.
I want a big fat one.
Yeah, this is fat.
I like big trees and I cannot lie.
Super fat.
Super fat? This one is pretty fat. I do like this fat tree here. He wants to get a blue spruce, so maybe we'll get a different one. We'll see. A big fat blue spruce, maybe.
Where the heck is Reed? This is too small. It's a Hershey Kiss.
Aw, Hershey Kiss.
With one lip.
This is too skinny.
This is cut off.
Oh no! Well, it's because somebody already cut the whole thing down. That's a Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
Yes, let's get it. How do you get
Maybe
it?
they'll give us a discount.
Look, it's an orange spruce.
I think we got our
What's up,
tree.
bud? Yay! It's this big tree.
Yay!
Reed's gonna cut the tree. Some of the tree.
Some of it. Claire's turn. Here we go.
Get up.
Oh, be careful! Don't hurt him. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Be careful now.
It's cold. I need to surf. No.
Here we go, Clara. You got this.
I can do it.
Keep going. Okay. We tried, but we couldn't do it, so Micah took over. Is it good? Are you gonna push it away? Whoa! That was quick. Alrighty.
No.
That's our tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
No! Guys, look, there's a pony.
Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her.
Rump and she didn't like that.
Oh, no.
I felt a little bite on my rump.
Oh my gosh.
She said, if you touch my rump, I'll get your rump.
Oh.
Piece of cake.
What is this?
Teddy bear snowman with the...
It's a teddy bear snowman. Oh yeah. So Micah and I got a couple other ornaments for Thaddeus, our baby that's in heaven. It's Reed and Clara's little brother. I'm gonna put it on the tree. It's a little baby hat for him. This is some angel wings. We got these little trucks too. Because I thought he would like those. You made that? Oh, cute. It's your handprint. Let me see the bottom. Oh, we still have sap on our hands from earlier.
You do.
Yeah,
I do.
It says Reed on the bottom, and that's his hand. How cute.
I made this teddy bear when I was 4.
Yep, 4 years ago.
Yeah.
When you were 4.
2013.
That one's homemade.
Yep. We painted it.
Come a little closer, buddy. Here we go, fatty. Well, that's all for our video vlog. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Make
Please.
sure to subscribe and click on another video.
Bye.
Bye.